I'm Roselle with FarmerBrown Insurance. Whether you film weddings, commercials, concerts, or you're out chasing cinematic magic with a drone, if you make a living with a camera in your hand, this message is for you. Let's talk about Videographer Insurance, because one broken lens, one client dispute, or one stolen camera bag can throw your business off track. So what exactly is Videographer Insurance? It's a customizable set of protections for people like you. Here's what it includes. General liability, if someone trips over your light stand or you accidentally damage a venue. Professional liability, if a client claims you didn't deliver on what you promised. Equipment insurance covers cameras, lenses, lights, and even gear that gets stolen or damaged on location. Inland marine insurance, it's weirdly named, but it covers your gear while you're on the move. Drone insurance, flying for that perfect aerial shot. This has you covered, literally. Cyber liability. Yes, digital footage can be hacked or lost. And yes, it's expensive to recover. And if you run a team, workers' comp protects your crew in the case someone gets injured on set. Now, depending on your setup, coverage can start at around $500 for a year and can scale up with higher end gear or added services. And yes, you can get short-term policies too, if you're just covering a single event or shoot. So if you film professionally in any capacity, protect your business, your gear, and your reputation. Get a free quote at FarmerBrown.com and check out the full article breakdown, which is linked below. And hey, if this video was helpful, please like it and leave any questions you have in the comments. Subscribe for more tips like this. I'm Roselle, and at FarmerBrown.com, we're here to help you keep rolling safely.